Trustee RY Cosmo Foundation, Shri Shantilaji Manawar. Thank you. And I would now request everyone to join for the prayer.
Good morning. Respected Chief Guest, Sri Dr. Vinayji Kothari, Honorable Justice, Madras High Court, Guest of Honor, Sri Anilji Jain, Managing Director, Reflex Group, Dr. Palniappan, and esteemed officials from Midway Hospital, all the donors and distinguished guests, and my dear colleagues, Sri Narendra Shishimal, Sri Parasji Bafna, Sri Shantilaji Lunawat, Rajendra Kamdar, Rajesh Nahar, Rajesh Katharia, and Sanjeev Jain, and members of RY Cosmo. It gives me immense pleasure and honor to welcome you all on the occasion of opening of the blood bank in association with Midway Hospital and patroned by RY Ukta Foundation. I would like to start with giving a brief introduction about our RY Cosmo Foundation Medibank. RY Cosmo Foundation Medibank was launched on 5th March 1995 with the theme of Care the Uncared, which was inaugurated by ex-President His Excellency Dr. Venkatraman. Our aim and objective is to provide effective health service at affordable price to all and to deliver service at the highest standard. Our vision is to care the uncared as our motto. Today we are taking another step towards our vision of having a healthier society by providing access to a health care for all by opening a blood bank. There is no greater joy than saving success. It is my hope that with your passion and enthusiasm, we will be able to achieve many more towards betterment and support to the communities. Adding one more feather to a crown of RY Cosmo Foundation to serve the humanity, we are coming up with a project on cancer detection centers shortly. I am sure that the blood bank and an upcoming project would serve our society and vision of achieving a better, healthier and safe society. Many thanks once again to everyone for your kind participating at today's event, and may God bless all of you and your families. Please stay safe and have a great day. Thank you.
Immense pleasure today as a managing trustee of the prestigious institution which is a part of the blood bank project. One of its kind of project of Rajasthani community in Chennai, RY Cosmo Foundation, for last 26 years have been serving the needy through various Medibank projects, be it the SIDC, our hospital, generic ward, at GH and other various projects. The blood bank, I am sure, shall be a great healer to the community of large. The basic function of smooth running of a blood bank is always on the blood donors, and hence it frames blood as B for beloved, L for life, O for only, O for on, and D for donor. Yes, beloved or unknown human being.
And deliver few words to the gathering, please.
Chief guest of today's function, Honorable Justice Sri Vinayji Kothari, Guest of Honor, my good friend Sri Anil Jain, who is also the President of Jain International Administrative Foundation and Chairman of Reflex Group of Company, Dr. Palniappan, CEO and founder of Midway Group of Hospitals, President Rajesh Bhandari, Managing Trustee Shantilaji Lunawat, Blood Bank Chairman Parasji Bafna, Secretary Rajesh Kataria and other colleagues of RY Cosmo, staffs and doctors of Medway. A warm, happy morning to all of you. It has been a very dream for RY Cosmo that we should do something big for the society. And under these things, from last 26 years, RY Cosmo has been running the Medibank successfully. RY Cosmo, which has started with a small dispensary, today has built a daycare center in Ayanavaram, which is serving the society at large. And now they are also planning to start cancer detection center.
To cut the story short, Medway was started about 8 years back. It's a humble beginning, the same building which happened about 8 years back. And today, I'm proud to say that Medway has added close to around 300 beds, about 4 units. And now we are opening a blood center. I don't think it would have been possible without the contribution and patronage which I got from RYA Cosmo. The moment we said that we want to start a blood bank, the first and foremost thing which came from RYA Cosmo is, we are there for you. Such a wonderful organization, a lot of charity work, hats off, and we have to learn from them a lot, how to go forward in life. Giving back to the society is something which we have to learn only from RYA Cosmo. I'm proud to say that I'm associated with them and joining and opening this ventures of Medway Hospital Blood Center. So actually, coming back to Medway Hospital Blood Center, what is so great about this? So everywhere there are blood banks which is available. First and foremost, I would like to repeat at this point, blood banks and blood centers are not profitable business, it's charitable. So RYA Cosmo never had an intention of getting anything into business, and it's a big charity which they have done, and it runs in crores to set up a blood bank, and which has been come forward and entirely donated by RYA Cosmo. And the chief donor I would like to thank is Anil Jain, the chairman of the festival. It's indeed a very great.
Detailed update and introduction. First of all, congratulations to RYA Metro, Medway Hospital for starting this blood bank. When Narendra Shishimal, a very close friend, guide, philosopher, mentor to me, spoke to me one day that there's a plan to open a blood bank and he would want me to get associated. For me, I felt it was not asking me to join. I felt it was a privilege for me to have been given an opportunity to come as a donor. I think donation does not come just with money. The first donation comes from the person who has a thought to build something, to do something. I think that's the biggest donation he does to a project. So I think the biggest donation to this project credit goes to RYA Metro, who have thought and made this project a dream, and then it made it successful. I think funding is very easy today if you have a good cause and good project. To implement, do the project, run it successfully year on year is something which is very tough. And I thank Medway Hospital and Dr. Palniappan to associate with RYA Metro to take this forward.
Or any kindness I can show to any fellow creature, let me do it now. Let me not defer or neglect it, for I shall not pass this way again. Friends, ब्लड यानी जो हिंदी में हम कहते हैं खून, इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस आप देखिए। खून के साथ जो शब्द अगर क्या जुड़ जाता है, उसकी क्या अस्तित्व चेंज हो जाता है। आप किसी से खून लेते हैं तो आप उस आदमी के ऋणी हो जाते हैं। अगर आप किसी को खून देते हैं तो आप दानी बन जाते हैं, और अगर आप किसी का खून करते हैं तो आप क्रिमिनल बन जाते हैं। सिर्फ शब्दों का हेर फेर है, खून वही है। पर खून देने का जो काम ब्लड बैंक के थ्रू आज आपके हाथों से हो रहा है, आप ब्लड कलेक्ट करेंगे, ब्लड बैंक बनेगा, प्रिजर्व होगा वहाँ खून। और आज के कोविड जमाने में तो इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस प्लाज्मा के थ्रू बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है। वैसे भी ब्लड डोनेशन का जो इम्पोर्टेंस है, हर जो बीमार व्यक्ति होता है जिसको खून चाहिए और जिस ब्लड ग्रुप का चाहिए वो ब्लड बैंक से अगर अवेलेबल हो जाता है, इसका एक्सपीरियंस मुझे खुद मेरे छोटे पुत्र की बर्थ के समय हुआ था और बाद में भी कई बार।
Now, I'm sure that how everyone associated today even would be feeling, be a part of the historic event with social service as his fourth call for the applause. I would extend my heartfelt thanks to Honorable Justice and Midway Hospital, our Chief Guest Sri Vinayji Kothari, our Guest of Honor Sri Anilji Jain, MD of Reflex Group as a main donor for the blood bank project and co-donor. Respect.